What a colorful life out there. That is Mexico. Hello, my friend. My name's Lily. Welcome to my channel, Lily Bird Time. This video is about food, Mexican street food. I am a big fan of street food. When we travel, we always love to try the local street food. There are reasons why we love street food. Street food is cooked in front of you. You get to try a wide variety of food in one place. It's authentic. You can eat street food on the go. Street food is also inexpensive than the food of restaurants or hotels. We have recently been to Yucatan in Mexico. On a 2-week trip, we sampled the best Mexican street food as much as we could. I'm going to introduce those incredible food to you. If you are a food lover, my friend, this video is for you. Let's begin. Number 1. Tacos. When we are talking about Mexican street food, tacos are on the most important item on the list. To be honest, you could wrap almost anything in a tortilla and call it a taco, but generally they are filled with meat, and adventurous eaters may select some of the more interesting animals' parts, including animals' organs. My favorite is the tacos pastor. They are made with marinated pork cooked on a rotating spit with a variety of spicy sauces, guacamole, fresh onion, and cilantro toppings. In Mexico, you never go hungry. We arrived in Cancun later in the evening. There was a taco stand just a couple of blocks away from our apartment. People are crazy about tacos. It's probably the most popular Mexican food dish. Number 2, tortas. A torta is a Mexican kind of a sandwich made on a crusty bun. A torta will usually have a bean paste on one side of the bun and mayonnaise on the other, then the requested meat fillings and slices of tomato, avocado, and pickled jalapenos. In Playa del Carmen, Mexico, we had the best pork tortas at AY Taco Shop. The meat is tender, juicy, and the filling is full of flavor for a low price at 120 pesos, which is equivalent to $6. Number 3, burrito. Authentic Mexican burritos are usually small and thin, with flour tortillas containing only one or two of several ingredients, either some form of meat or fish, potato, rice, beans, cheese, sour cream, rice, and vegetables. Burritos are often eaten by hand, as their tight wrapping keeps the ingredients together. We also tried a vegetarian burrito in Playa del Carmen. It was so good. Number 4, quesadillas. The term quesadilla generally refers to a folded tortilla with melted cheese inside. Quesadillas can be made with either corn or wheat tortillas and may be either grilled or deep fried. It's more common to open it up and add a salsa before eating. No matter how you would like to eat your quesadillas, based on my experiences, you'd better eat right away after served. Do not take it away and eat later. The dish will get soggy and won't taste right. Number 5, Salbutes. Salbutes originate from the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The salbute is a corn tortilla fried in oil or lard, so that it is a little swollen and soft, served with lettuce, tomatoes, canned onions, shredded turkey or chicken meat, and avocado. It is usually served with a hot sauce. Tonight, I ordered chicken salbutes. My sister ordered chicken enchiladas. Both dishes are all good. Number 6, Alambre. In Playa del Carmen, Mexico, we had a chance to try alambre. Alambre consists of meat, usually grilled beef topped with cheese, salsa, and chopped bacon, onion, and pepper. Kim ordered beef alambre. Putting the alambre on the tortillas, top it up with the spicy sauce. Fold the tortillas like how you do it with your tacos. Oh, it's so good. Number 7, Gringas. Another delicious Mexican street food is Gringas. Gringas is a typical Mexican dish made with flour tortillas, filled with marinated pork meat, cheese, and most commonly, pineapple slices. Although onions, chili sauce, and coriander can all be added to the dish. The tortillas are usually folded in half and consumed like a taco, mouth-watering. Number 8. Marquesitas. Marquesita is a sweet you can't miss, originally from Yucatan Mexico. They are one of the most delicious and popular snacks because the unique flavor delights everyone. Marquesita consists of a crepe rolled like a taco, filled with caramel, condensed milk, jam, chocolate, or cheese. Adding additional strawberries and other fresh fruit is optional. If you visit any towns in Yucatan, you will see a cart selling them on every corner. Number 9. Churros. Churro is one of the most popular sweets in Mexico. Churros were brought from Spain, but Mexicans took to them readily. Deep-fried sweet dough that is sprinkled with sugar. Nothing is more addictive than a cup of a fresh churro. People ask, what do you miss the most about Mexico? I would say the endless sunshine, delicious and affordable street food, and friendly people. There is so much incredible cuisine in Mexico. When you visit Mexico, my friend, try as much as you can. You will love it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.